Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 14th till 20th of September, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Okay, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So what is there for my Leos from 14th till 20th of September? Let's see for my Leos, please. 3 shuffles. Okay, so let's see what is the overall situation right now. The situation in which you are in is the Queen of Swords. This is more about a general atmosphere in which you are in. So this is something, the things around you. This might be your personality right now when you are not ready to accept the, the lies. Basically, you are not ready to accept the lies. You are more about a truthful queen. See, the Queen of Swords, this is more about the truth which you really want to listen, which you want to hear, and you also speak truth only. Okay, you speak on the behalf of the people around you. You are always there standing beside the people whom you love, because truth matters to you a lot. Might be a Libran with whom you are dealing with. Does not has to be, it might be you only as well. In your chart somewhere you might be a Libra. So this is a very truthful queen. All she wants is the truth, nothing else. Okay, emotions are also off right now. So emotionally no, practically yes. So just talk to me in a practical way. So this is something. So what is the issue? What is the conflict? The Ace of Wands. Okay, so this might be a new beginning with someone, or this might be a new idea of a new beginning. Okay, so you are in a situation where you are getting some kind of ideas around you. There might be some people who are sharing good ideas with you, but the problem is you are not able to trust anyone, because this is something, this is just an idea. What about your actions? They are just discussing the things with you. It's not about the actions which are being implemented. So that is the conflict. That is something which you are resisting. This is the new change which you are resisting, because it is more about the actions, not just the words right now. So where are your actions, people? If you really want to start a new life with me, or start something new, like a new project or something, some kind of discussion is happening. So why just the discussion? When are you going to implement it? So this is more regarding that. Okay, so what is the foundation? The Knight of Cups, the foundation of the situation which you don't want to look at. So this is someone might be, coming up with a very with an offer of love. So this is a playboy card of the deck. This is the person who shows that he loves you, or he actually shows, the Knight of Cups is a very come and go kind of an energy, where the Knight of Cups doesn't stays. And this is something which is because you are the Queen of Swords, and dealing with the Knight of Cups is not your cup of tea. This is like, when you are really you're focused in your work, you're focused in your energy, and some kind of these kind of people, they just come and roam around you. This is not acceptable to you. This is the foundation, and that is why you are not even looking them as the way they are actually interpreting. So somebody might be coming towards you with an offer, some kind of flirting nature, like might be a colleague in your office as well, but you are not looking towards them as the same person. Okay, you are more into your work. You are like, oh come on, these kind of people, I have dealt with them long back. So you are in that zone. Good, Leos, really good. What's the past telling us? King of Swords. So some kind of a person. So with the Queen of Swords and the King of Swords, this is more of an intellectual energy in your past as well. So it has always been about the truth, right, Leos? It's nothing about anything. It's more about being practical, being intellectual, being witty sometimes, but it's more about how you put your words into actions. It's more about that. Yes, I'm ready. You are saying that I'm ready to listen, I'm ready to see the actions, but where are your actions? You are in that thing. Let's see what's in your mind. 5 of Swords. This is something you are aware of. You are aware of the betrayals around you. You are aware that people around you are trying to manipulate you, are trying to say lies to you, but you are the Queen of Swords. You are understanding everyone and everyone's intention towards something, because people are coming towards with an intention of doing bad to you. Again, those lies and those betrayals are coming up. That you're aware of this energy, that is why you are ready to cut people off in your life. You are not ready to accept the bad people, these kind of just good at face kind of people. No, you are dealt with these kind of people. Coming up in the future is the six of Wands. So this attitude is actually going to take you towards heights. It's always about success. It's always about who you are. You are not losing your identity. No, you are moving very beautifully in life. People are actually acknowledging you. People are looking towards you as an inspiration, as an influencer. So you are the influencer for many people around you. So, and this is actually taking you towards success. Okay, so how you see yourself as the Queen of Wands? Obviously, Leo seeing themselves as Leos. So this is you. This is the entrepreneur queen, a person who is self-made person. You are looking yourself like this. This is how you see yourself. This is how you feel for yourself, that I am the queen. You are ready to make a beautiful kingdom of your own. This is what you are doing. Wow, beautiful. How people see you as the Wheel of Fortune. So people see you as someone who have changed a lot. People are really shocked to see you like this. You are changed. You are not the past person. A very different energy, a past, whatever you were in past, people are seeing you as a totally different person, a very different person. Your fears, the Hermit. Your fears, this is something, the lessons which you really need to learn. So this is that solitude card with the Hermit. Sometimes, being alone is important. You are with the Queen of Wands and Six of Wands, it's always about people surrounding you. You're always surrounded by many people. It's always like people really acknowledge you, people really love you, the way you behave, the way you are. And that is the fear, because somewhere deep down you feel alone, and that is the fear of being alone, feeling of being entering into deep depression as well. So this is why you are feeling sad sometimes, because this is something which you really need to learn, that sometimes your inner strength, your inner happiness also counts. So if you are in that zone, if you are fearing that what will happen to my happiness, then you should learn this, that you can do some kind of yoga, some meditation, to make yourself happy. This is that card. Do not fear this card. This is more about your lessons learned, which you really need to learn. What is the final outcome? 10 of Cups. Wow, with the 10 of Cups and the 6 of Wands in the future card, It's like you are really ready to gain some kind of an experience, the result of the path which you have taken. See, the path which you have taken is taking you to greater heights, I'm telling you, because you you are really mature now. There was a time people betrayed you. There was a time you really trusted many people around you, and everyone just betrayed you. Just there was a lot of deception, deceit, and you were left alone at the end. So being alone is a fear for you now. That it's better to be alone than to be with these kind of people. But you do not have to be alone. You have to learn the lessons, that and you are actually learning these lessons because you are ready to cut the wrong people off. You know that manipulation is there. You know that people around you, they are just playing with your feelings, and you have learned that thing a lot. So that is why this is actually taking towards success. You have taken a really good path. You have chosen the good path of yours. I think I don't have to clarify anything. No. Really, it was a really good reading, Leos, and I hope it helped you. And we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.